Your Klaviyo CRM doesn't update with telephony insights? You're flying blind. It's like running campaigns without knowing what happens on calls, a marketing disaster waiting to happen. Your leads start to turn cold. Follow-ups get delayed, and sometimes even go unnoticed. The sales team chases wrong leads with irrelevant offers. The result? A fragmented experience, lost opportunities, and time wasted on what should be effortless. Don't let phone calls be your blind spot in customer interactions. By integrating KrispCall in Klaviyo, every call, missed, answered, or voicemail becomes part of your customer journey. No more switching between platforms. Call data syncs directly, fueling your workflows, follow-ups, and segmentation. It's smarter outreach without the manual work. Ready to start? Let's set you up quick and easy. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to the integrations and search for Klaviyo. Upon connecting, KrispCall will redirect you to your Klaviyo account with a review request. Click to continue and allow KrispCall to access your account's information. And it's done. Your Klaviyo CRM is integrated successfully. You now have full control over your Klaviyo integration settings in KrispCall. Tailor your data sync preferences in the general settings and customize specific sync options within workflow settings. Plus, you can link multiple numbers separately for calls and SMS. Once everything is set up, switch to your Klaviyo account and seamlessly manage customer calls within your outreach platform. Start by creating and managing contacts. With Contact Sync, you can effortlessly update individual contacts with a single click or import them in bulk using a CSV file. All your contacts get automatically recorded within Klaviyo to keep your customer interactions organized and actionable. Now that you're ready to make calls, start by installing the KrispCall Dialer extension in your browser for quick, hassle-free dialing. Inside Klaviyo, simply go to Audience and then to Profiles. Click on the KrispCall icon and choose the call option. Now dial your leads, follow up, and build engagement instantly. Capture important details during the call by adding notes in real time. These notes sync automatically, ensuring every conversation contributes to a well-informed strategy for the next steps. Need to send an SMS? Just click the SMS option after the KrispCall icon, type your message, and reach your customers directly from Klaviyo. So why wait? With KrispCall integrated into Klaviyo, your marketing efforts drive results, keeping everything in one place and maximizing engagement. It's time to make your telephony simpler and effective. Visit KrispCall.com and sign up today to take your outreach a step ahead.